it be? What's in the box? Shadow, what's in the box? My cat's meowing. What is in the box? He wants to know.
Saw you with the box. What was in the box? What's in the box?
Okay, by now, not fooling anybody. Unboxing the Galaxy Note S. Shadow. Shh. Shadow's being crazy. Unboxing the Note 20 Ultra 5G. Came in today, been waiting all day to unbox this and share the experience with you guys if you're thinking about upgrading your phone. I got the Note 20 Ultra and I got Galaxy Bud Live. I need a knife. Galaxy Bud Lives are gonna come in the box, nice box with the pod box, USB to USB-C, USB Type A to USB Type C charger. They are Bluetooth. I'll have to charge these up and test them and give you a review. And it looks like they give you these things, which I'm guessing is for the charging cable, but I will find out what these are. It doesn't say it in the box. I will find out what these little pieces go for, and then I'll let you know in the review. In Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G box has a picture of the stylus and some information on the back, on the bottom, including your IMEI number, which, by the way, when you get a new phone, call your phone carrier and update your IMEI number. It will make your phone run better on their network. Slide outside of the box. You're greeted with a tool for changing out your SIM card. When you open the box up, you're greeted with the nice look of the Note 20 5G Ultra. Under that, you have the charger, quick charger. I saw Unboxing Therapy and he was talking about the watts. The watts play an important part, but you want to pay attention to the amps. The higher the amps, the higher the current rate, the faster the charge. Output 3 amps or 9 volts. Unboxing Therapy said wattage. No, you want to pay attention to the amps. The higher the amps, the faster the charge. USB-C to USB Type C. And I saw in other videos they came with a flimsy plastic rubber screen protector, or not screen protector. It came with a plastic rubber. It's not in there. I saw some videos where the phone came with a rubber screen phone case. First impressions, this is a big phone, but let me pull out one of my older phones. This is a Lumia 1520. This was the 9th largest phone on the market at one point, and this is 7 inches. This is 6.9 inches. Size-wise, the Galaxy is just slightly taller, but it is thinner compared to my Note 8. My Note 8 with the case on it is around, it feels around maybe a little bit wider, but definitely it's actually just about as tall as it is. One thing I didn't like on the Note 8 is the camera layout. I wish the camera layout was horizontal instead of vertical. Front camera is 10 megapixels, it's right in the middle. Wasn't sure how big this bulge was going to be down here, and it's like that is larger than the size of a than the thickness of some change. But that houses the 12 megapixel, the 108 megapixel, which is huge, and the 12 megapixel. This is ultra wide, wide angle, and telephoto. Compare this to the regular Note. The regular Note 20, you're going to be looking at 12, 12, and 64. It feels better than the Lumia 1520 did, but feels about the same width-wise as my old Note 8 with the case on, but without the case. Without the case, to be honest, they feel right around the same. Like, but I can tell you something for sure. Hold on. Glass screen protector. Even with the glass screen protector off, the Note 20 feels around the same weight, if not, feels around the same weight as the Note 8 without taking a look at the weights of them. The one thing that I'm going to be a little bit worried about using the phone is the fact that the stylus is on the left side, which will be great for those who are left-handed. But pulling it out from the left side, being right-handed and using it might feel a little odd, because on the Note 8 it comes out on the right side of the screen, which is very easy for all of us right-handed. to use it and put it back in. But the biggest disappointments that we have in phone today is screen protection, and this is a massive glass on the back and you have massive glass on the front. So what I've got is I've got some glass protection for the back camera and for the front screen. A phone case, which this phone case is massive. Yeah, so I have my Note 8. My Note 8 is barely fitting into it. The one thing that the Note series does is it has the SIM card slot that dual purposes into SD card. So for here you can stick your SD card in and your SIM card in, which I'm going to be transferring mine over here soon. So it can hold up to a 1 terabyte SD card in there, which is insane. That's the same size as my primary hard drive on my computer. I don't want to put something in that big because I know I'll fill it up. It's going to take a while to fill it up, and then it's going to take a while for me to clear everything out. But overall, first impressions is this feels good, but this is a little awkward. On the old styles, the cameras weren't as powerful. Now you're dealing with 3 really powerful cameras, 12 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 108 megapixel, and they have image stabilization on there with optical zoom, which is 5 times optical zoom. This can record 8K, is what it says. My Note 8 could record 4K. I think the Lumia was 720. Can't remember. If not, it was definitely 1080 at max. And then my old Samsung Note 5 was 1080, and I forget if it did anything larger than that. The Note 8 has been comfortable. The Note 20, I think this could be very comfortable for me, to be honest. I'm really curious to see how the Note 20 is going to work with the camera stabilizer that I've used for a variety of videos. Both with aviators and with Beach Ultimate for layout and just local here in town. Okay, so that's not crazy. It's not tilting over like I thought it would be. I thought I'd get it in and I'd want to tilt over. So it'll be cool using this setup. Higher resolution, be able to punch into video more, and then with the better image stabilization on the screen as well, on the cameras, should be good. Anyways, this has been a little bit of unboxing of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. I'm going to start enjoying my phone. If you like this video, comment, like, subscribe, share with friends. I'm going to do a review of some other tech here pretty shortly, and I'll catch you all on the flip side.